Hi, let me show you how to get Apple Intelligence in Europe for free on iPhone 16e. So first thing first, we need to go in phone settings and make sure that we don't have any active subscriptions. So for that, you need to tap on your profile, then go in Media and Purchases, select to view account, wait a few seconds, and after that go in subscriptions and make sure that you don't have any. After that we can go in country and region. So here select country and region, and we would need to change it to United States. So let's click here and find United States in the list and select. So right now agree with new terms and conditions by clicking agree. And now we need to complete this tab. So here enter any details about your payment method, and then you need to complete billing address. Here you can just randomly enter something. So just enter any phone number, any zip code, state, city, street, and so on. So here as a payment method, I selected none. You should see this option as well, but if not, then maybe you actually got any active subscriptions which you need to cancel, or you need to create new Apple ID. Then I just randomly entered this info in billing address. You can copy it and enter the same one, and then click next to go to the next step. Great, now we successfully changed country, and what we are gonna do next is we need to go back in our settings. Here, pick general, then you need to select language and region. Make sure that you set United States as your region, so make sure you can see it here, and make sure that your phone is running in English language. So here you need to set it to English. Let's check another info. Yep, looks fine to me. Also, important step, we need to change Siri language to English as well. So check this Siri tab, go in language and set English United States. And after that, you should see this active option here to turn on Apple Intelligence. So click it and then tap continue. We can read this info about this feature. Click continue, continue, and again. And now Apple Intelligence is on. Sometimes it can be activated within an hour, so just be patient and wait. And now here, as you can see, Apple Intelligence is on, and we can use it for Siri. We can use it for any other Apple Intelligence thing. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.